WXM Ground Zero episode 7 is out and holy shit, this was not a show, this was absolute destruction, man. From start to finish, chaos, madness and non-stop action. The pacing never dipped, fun elements were perfectly placed and everything felt raw, real and unpredictable. This is the kind of edgy Indian pro wrestling we needed. Let's break it down quickly. The show kicks off with Shiv Sahin and Bob Dan going up against Captain and Kevin Malik, the Indian Eagle, in a wild tag team clash. This was pure chaos, crowd brawling, barricades, sports, cheap shots, everything you didn't expect in Indian wrestling. So WXM is delivering. Kevin Malik's injured arm storyline was smartly continued with Sahin's team constantly targeting it. The intensity felt legit. In the end, Kevin Malik's power through land the lariat and finisher and skew the win. Massive opening backstage segment where Venomous loses his mind, smashing everything after watching Kevin's win, planting seeds for future chaos. Again a backstage drama, Rohan Raja, Dev and Sanjana. Next we get a hilarious but story driven backstage segment. Sanjana pushes Rohan Raja and Dev to win tonight if they want a tag team title shot. Dev tries to flirt, instantly get smacked with flower by Sanjana. Comedy gold, character work on point, man. Dev tries to be a playboy but it didn't happen. After that, we saw a pure brutal match. Samurai Delso means Kalisto versus Skylar. This was just a match. It was personal vendetta. Skylar absolutely dismantled Samurai Delso. Chain sword, steel self-attack, brutal strikes. Skylar went full psychopath mode. No blood, but damn close. The turning point, Skylar taps Delso's mouth shut, rips his mask and forces him to tap out. That's nuclear heel hit, man. Skylar wins, then tries to break Delso's arm until Kevin Malik and Captain makes this save. This setup was Kevin Malik versus Skylar's next week in WXM World Title Tournament on Big Stack. After that, then Skylar cut a backstage promo saying this isn't chaos, it planned destruction, says he's here to rule WXM and will break Kevin Malik's next. After that, we saw a match between Rohan Raja and Dev versus Jay Connection. This match balanced humor and action perfectly. Dev crying from chop, miscommunication with Rohan, accidental arm torture. It was peak entertainment, British. Jay Connection capitalized after distraction, pins Dev and win. Then boom, lights out. Fateh, the Zamindar arrives and destroyed everyone. Brutal beatdown. Ami Sakuro joins him and Fateh signs the WXM contract over fallen birdies. This faction is dangerous. After that, we saw a backstage segment between Jeet Rama and Bobby, his manager. Backstage tension explodes as Jeet Rama confronts Bobby about Skylar and Fateh. He says, "You did wrong, Bobby." Suddenly, Bobby said, "I know you have personal problem with Fateh." Then Jeet Rama got super angry. He said Bobby to leave. And then we saw a main event, Donovan Dijak versus Raj the Maharaja. This was war, man. This was war. Two global heavyweights, WWE veteran, no shortcuts, chop, slam, barricade, crowd brawling, pure big fight energy, kicks out on kicks out, and crowd was chanting, "This was awesome." In the end, Raj the Maharaja survives the storm, locks in the finish and pins Dijak clean. Massive respect moment. Raj stares at the title, message sent to the authorities that he is coming for the gold. In conclusion, in my final thoughts, WXM Ground Zero episode 7 didn't just rise the bar, it's smashed it. Storytelling, brutality, comedy, aura, everything just clicked. If this is the direction WXM is heading, we are witnessing something special. जिगरा है, yeah, WXM proved it. Tell me your favorite moment in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. Link in the description. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय श्री राम.